In this video, I'm going to show you how to change author name in Acrobat Reader. So the first thing you have to do, you want to add a comment. So I'm going to click on comment over here on the right. Then I'm going to click using this one over here. So I'm just going to use the sticky note for now, but this is going to work with any comment you want to use. I'm going to put it over here and I'm just going to type in hello there, okay? So when you click on post, you can see here we have the author name. So for me, it says instant how to, which in my case is fine. But in case you want to change the author name, what you can do is simply right click on your comment. So you want to open your comment panel over here on the right. It should automatically open whenever you click on the comment tab, and then you want to right click on the comment and click on properties. In here you'll be able to see, if you go to general, it says author, and this is basically where you can change the author name. So for example, if I want to change this from instant how to for example just IHT, I can click on OK, and you can also make the properties default to always take effect. So I'm going to click on OK right now, and there we go. As you can see, the author name has been changed, and if I hover over here as well, it's going to basically show me the author is IHT. So that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.